Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a PDF into Canva, an essential skill if you want to redesign documents or enhance existing PDFs with Canva's tools. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to import any PDF seamlessly and start working on it instantly. First, head over to Canva and log in. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. It only takes a minute. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Uploads tab on the sidebar. Click on it and then hit Upload Files. Now, select the PDF you want to upload from your computer. It might be in your desktop, document, or downloads folder. Just navigate to where it's saved and select it. Once you do, Canva will begin uploading your PDF. The process might take a few seconds to a minute depending on your file size and internet speed. After the upload is complete, your PDF will appear in your Uploads folder. From here, you can drag it into any project or start a new one. The magic of Canva is that you can now add text, images, and all sorts of design elements directly onto your PDF. This is a fantastic way to refresh old documents and give them a new professional look. And that's it. Uploading PDFs into Canva is quick, easy, and opens up a world of creative possibilities. Now you can take your documents to the next level with Canva's design tools. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.